What's up everybody, How to Tech Studio here, and very first thing I want to say is Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you're going to have a wonderful Christmas break. Now we are going to introduce you to something that is ridiculously exciting, okay, and this is going to work on iOS devices, Android devices and PC devices, so you can spoof, teleport, walk around, do whatever you want on Pokemon Go. This is one of our best tutorials yet, so make sure you stay tuned for the whole video. No worries whether you are on iOS, Android or PC, this is going to be just for you. Now, before we get cracking and show you everything we need to know, we would love you to hit that subscribe button and set up that notification bell, send that Christmas gift back to us, and of course, let us know in the comments some extra videos you want to see, and just to say hello, because that is always lovely to see our wonderful Pokemon Go community. Now, without any further ado, I'm going to introduce you to something called Mock Pogo. Now, these are brand new to our channel. We've never covered these guys before, and they've come up with a brand new, very, very safe system of spoofing Pokemon Go onto your devices. Now, as you can see, we've got a computer version and our iOS version, but this also works with Android. So any links that we talk about today, go ahead and check those out if you are an Android user, because it works exactly the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a couple of different things that you can do, and then we'll get down to the nitty-gritty stuff. So as you can see, I'm in Pier 39 right now, and if I wanted to, I could go and teleport to somewhere, and as you can see on my Pokemon Go app, it teleports me there. Now, of course, you need to use the cooldown period for this. You can't just teleport around the world. Niantic have got a lot of stops in that, so if you are unsure what that is, check out our channel, and the link will be in the description on what cooldown periods are and how to teleport around safely. So I'd highly recommend going and watch those before you do any kind of spoofing. So you can teleport around. You can also use the function at the top corner, and you can go to somewhere. So let's say that I wanted to go to Paris in France. You can search for it, and then you could click go, and it would teleport you there. As you can see on my screen, it's teleported me there, which is absolutely wonderful. Now I'm going to go back to Pier 39 because that's where my current location is set to. So I'm just going to go back and teleport to there. And you can also introduce this two-spot mode, or multi-spot mode. They work very, very similarly, but essentially you can pick multiple spots, and if you wanted to do a little route, you can. You can click go, and you can also change whether you want to go from A to B to A, A to B to B, A to B, and A to B, and you can also loop it. So let's say I wanted to do 10 times. Always put the realistic mode on because that is much safer, and as you can see, my guy will start to walk around, and I can interact with the game if I so wish, catching Pokemon, spinning pokestops, etc. You can also go ahead and save certain things for later, and you can also reset your location if you do fancy spoofing at a later date. So that is a really cool function that is on the PC. So I'm just going to stop that there because I want to show you now onto your devices, because you can use this while you are on your devices itself. So if we go ahead and look on the device, I'm on an iOS device at the moment, and you can go ahead and download Mock Pogo, and you can use it while you are in the app. So let's say I wanted to go and walk or teleport over there. I teleport there, and you can see my guy will suddenly move in a second. 1 second, let me move a bit further over. Might not have actually gone anywhere. Let's go back over there. There we are. As you can see, my guy's then teleported over there. So that's a really cool function. You can just flick backwards and forwards, and it works very similarly to what we just showed you on there. You can enter different addresses, coordinates. If you want to find exact coordinates of Pokemons, you can. And also, you can use a joystick function, so you can set it to a direction, press play, and you can watch him go, which is really quite cool. As you can see, he's now walking around. As well as this, you can also just go back there. You can also save things for your favorites, so you can save your history as well. So this is a really cool advanced way of doing it. Now, of course, this also uses the original Pokemon Go app, so it is a lot safer than the iSpoofers, Pokemon, iPogo, etc., etc. They are tweaking the app, whereas this is a lot safer. So now how to get down to the nitty-gritty stuff. Now, of course, this is going to be a paid subscription because it is absolutely wonderful, but because it's Christmas, there is a discount on offer. As you can see on the screen, there will also be a discount code in our description and in a pinned comment just for you guys. And as you can see on the screen, they are absolutely wonderful value for money. Once you've got it, you can never lose it. You will always be able to spoof Pokemon Go, and I know that's what you guys want. There's different versions for Windows if you're on Mac as well. iOS has different ones as well, and of course, when you're on Android, you can also crack on with that. It's a little bit cheaper on Android, lucky Android users. Apple, of course, everything seems to be a lot more expensive these days, but just go ahead and check them out. This has been Mock Pogo. All the links you need are in the description, whether you are an iOS, Android, or a PC user. Go ahead and check them out because this is going to save you so much time and money in the future. And of course, it is safe. Talking of safe, check out our links in the description and on our channel to make sure you get all of the latest good stuff right where you need it. And of course, head down into the comments, say hello, and we'll get back to you as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, and of course, we will see you all very, very soon. Go ahead and check out Mock Pogo.